Hey, it's Tess again, and guess what? I have another new package. This time it's not fan-made or anything like that. I will be unboxing the Sam & Max plushie. Okay, I already cut it open, so it's time to tear it open. Alright, just opened it. Aw, came with some, whoopsie. Came with some stickers from Uncute. That's where they had the plushie. Very nice of them. And here he is, Max himself, my favorite of the duo. Can't wait to open this baby up. He's a lot softer than I thought. Look at him. I'm so happy they restocked. This is Max. Here's this tag, just like from Uncute and Sam & Max franchise itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you next time.